How's it going, everyone? It is the investing guy here, and today I have a portfolio update for you guys. This is the portfolio update for the month of December. We all know that the crypto markets have gone down since last month, and it's very noticeable in my portfolio. If you haven't seen the update from last month, I definitely suggest that you go check it out. I'm going to put the link up here. Go check that out and see how my portfolio was doing when the market was green. Now, today I have for you guys, well, an update when the crypto markets aren't doing so well. And actually, comparing, I did watch this video before, and comparing it, my portfolio is not doing so bad. I have done some moves in my portfolio. I've added some more Bitcoin, added some more Cardano and things like that into my portfolio. So I have taken advantage of this dip, and I am purchasing whatever I can. I've also made a few swing trades here and there that have gone well, and I have made some that have not gone so well. So you'll be able to see that in the portfolio. All right, guys, one last thing. I'm going to ask you guys for a huge favor. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. When we do reach 800 subscribers, I will be giving away one of these Voyager hoodies to you guys. All right, let's get right into the video. All right, so here is our current portfolio. We're at 23,700. This is the first month in a while that I'm doing a portfolio update, and we're actually down from our previous update. So as we can see here, my USDC is at $13,000. I do want to keep it at $13,000 for you guys, so you guys can see at the end of the month how much $13,000 can get you in terms of passive income. Just as a reminder, this is how much we had in terms of crypto last month, and as you can see here, the markets were doing quite well. You could kind of see on the edge right there that Bitcoin was at 67,000, so that was almost nearly the top, and you can tell we only had 0.05 Bitcoin, and then we only had 12,300 USDC, 0.67 Ethereum, 757 VGX. So a few things have changed here, where we now have 13,000 USDC. We have 0.0666 Bitcoin. So I have added quite a bit of Bitcoin on here. I have added a little bit of Ethereum. I've added quite a bit of VGX, as you can see here. I've bought almost 50 VGX, I believe. I've used this dip and purchased some stuff. I've also purchased a lot more ADA. If you guys haven't seen the past video, I am buying ADA every single day, $10 every single day for the month of December. Quite funny because I've called it pretty much the Battle of 800. The Battle of 800, what I mean is, like, every day it's like so close to 800, and sometimes it's a little bit past 800, but then it just ends up going back down. And every single day for this past month, it's just been the Battle of 800 with ADA. And then tomorrow morning I'll purchase it. Maybe it'll touch 800, maybe it won't, right? And then it'll go back down to below 800. So actually this morning it was at 810, I believe, when I purchased it. And as you can see now, well, it looks like ADA has lost the Battle of 800, and it just keeps going down this month. But it's okay. I'm just bringing my average cost down to right now it's like at $1.94. Whatever, it's fine. I don't really mind it. Our DOT has also gone down quite a bit. I think in the last video that we had, our DOT was worth about $1,100. Now it's only worth about $570. And I don't think I've sold any. If anything, I've actually accumulated a little bit more DOT. Well, the value of it is a lot less. So actually, our portfolio is holding quite well. The profits from our last month was at 7,500. We're now at 6,200. I was able to do some swing trades and stuff like that. I did a pretty good one with AVAX, where I bought AVAX at around $70, and I just sold it today for around $100. And I bought a few of those, so I was able to take some of those profits. I also did a pretty good one with Litecoin, so that worked out well. Other than that, most of these coins that I have here are down, and I think next month I am going to use it as a month to average down if everything just continues to stay down here. So as you can see here, pretty much everything is down other than MATIC, Polkadot, Ethereum, and Bitcoin is barely up. So that's how the portfolio is doing right now. So it looks like we have more of everything, but just the value of crypto has gone down quite a bit. Our overall portfolio is actually down a little bit compared to last month. As you do see here, I do have a lot of coins, and I do want to consolidate. I want to get rid of some of these. Yearn Finance, I was just using it as a kind of buy and sell sort of thing, and I just got stuck on a trade with Yearn. So I will be getting rid of Yearn Finance when it reaches a certain price. thinking somewhere around $35,000. If it does reach that around that area, I'll be getting rid of Yearn Finance. I'll also be getting rid of SHIB. SHIB again was just one coin that I really don't want to get rid of though is MATIC. I really do like what MATIC is doing, especially now that it's a deflationary coin. One thing that did worry me with MATIC was that it was actually inflationary. I'm really looking into accumulating a little bit more MATIC, so hopefully you guys vote for MATIC to be the coin of the month. Which I purchase $10 of each single day, so I would be more than happy to be purchasing some MATIC. And then in terms of USDC, check it out, guys. We have almost $700 worth of USDC in terms of rewards earned. More than 10% of my total return is coming directly from USDC, so don't sleep on the power of USDC, right? I love USDC. I love how it keeps my portfolio stable. I would have maybe done some panic selling or something, but I do feel like USDC does keep me calm. And it does keep me grounded, and it's, realizing that I will get paid at the end of the month. And like right now that we're going through some losses, I will get paid at the end of the month, and some of these losses will be offset by USDC. So that does keep me very, very calm. The portfolio earlier this week was at around $5,000 in total in terms of total return, but things did start clearing up a little. I did hit some good trades, which was able to bring my total return up a little bit higher. So I do want you guys to notice something here. It is quite dangerous here with the, if you look at the percent change, I do have some in the 60s, right? So those are going to be the first ones that I average down on. I don't want to get rid of Ethereum Classic at a 70% loss, right? I don't want to get rid of BitTorrent at a 60% loss or whatnot. So I'm going to average down on these. Hopefully they can pump like 30%, 40%, whatever. And then I can get rid of them at little to no profit. So that's my plan here with these. I'm not going to get rid of them. I'm not going to sell them at a 70% loss. All right, so that was it for this video. I am hopeful for the first quarter of 2022 to be an explosive quarter for crypto. I do think that things are gearing up to be quite nice for crypto. So hopefully that turns out to be true. I don't have a crystal ball and I don't know what's going to happen, but that's what I'm expecting, and that's why I am purchasing whatever I can now. All right, guys. Well, like I like to say, let's go to the moon together, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.